Welcome, fellow engineers. Thank you for supporting the channel so far. Today we'll be learning about grading optimization. So these are the things we'll be covering today. What is the grading optimization tool? How do we install the grading optimization tool? And we'll see where grading optimization is utilized on Civil 3D. So planning for earthworks on a site is a crucial part of bringing a project together. Planning your grading can be really difficult. As an engineer, your work is to create solutions for different tasks, and the grading optimization tool helps you in simplifying grading. So if you go to the Start tab here, if you open up Civil 3D and go to the Start tab, you can see here under the Learning tab, it ushers in these various learning material, and there's a video here about grading optimization. So let's have a look what it's all about. So let's play this video and listen.
A new extension for Civil 3D is Grading Optimization for Civil 3D. Grading Optimization uses new grading objects provided to you in the Civil 3D tool palette. In this example, we're controlling how the area in the selected zone will be graded, setting the min slope at 2% and max slope at 5% in this area. We can quickly create zones for the building pads, sidewalks, ADA locations, and drainage. With the design intent in place, you can select Optimize to launch Grading Optimization. In the Grading Optimization dialog, we have full access to the grading object parameters, and you can update them if you need to before selecting Optimize. Grading Optimization takes the parameters that you've specified and generates very quickly a grading solution. This grading solution will also be mindful of earthwork quantities. The result of the optimization can be sent directly back to Civil 3D. Grading Optimization can also be implemented in the same way for a residential subdivision. With the necessary grading elements assigned, you can take a look at one or many different grading scenarios more efficiently than with traditional methods, giving the engineer great flexibility in choosing the best, most cost-effective grading design of this residential subdivision. Grading optimization can also be utilized for grading around bridges. With the placement of just a couple of zones representing key elements of the bridge, you can simply select Optimize, and Grading Optimization will give you a grading solution for the bridge abutments. And again, the optimized result can be pulled directly into Civil 3D. Grading Optimization gives the engineer the power to more efficiently grade their engineering projects.
True, that's what grading optimization does. So now let's see how to install grading optimization. We go to the Autodesk website, and if you sign into your account, you can find the different products and services. So here we have grading optimization. Let me install, accept. And then I go to my downloads and install grading optimization. Then we choose where to install the files. If you want it under D, you can select D and you click install. Once you're done downloading, you can go to the download folder, double click on the application just exit on this application and then double click again. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Agree to the terms and click next. Then hit the installation. Installation will happen. Once it finishes installation, just click on finish. And now go to your Civil 3D. And let's see whether it will work. So now if you go to your home tab, let's click on grading optimization. Now we can see that it is now installed. We can go to the analyze tab, then the grading optimization to find it. So we will assign grading constraints, generate grading options, deliver balanced grading. So the grading optimization tool can now be found in the analyze. And here you can see there's a panel under the analyze tab for the grading optimization. So today's video was just about installation, and the next video will be about how to use grading optimization to simplify your gradings. See you in the next video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share the content. Thank you.